guys, welcome back. I purchased something from Neiman Marcus and I'm gonna show you what's inside. This is a classic flap in size medium black. It's caviar leather with gold hardware, and inside also burgundy. I used to own the black with the silver hardware, but I sold it so I can fund for this bag. I think I like the gold hardware better than the silver. There's the back. And this caviar is from, let me see. Here is the tag. So that's the price. Here's the serial number. I'll go ahead and try it on. That is it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.